Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making yummy healthy recipe. No sugar, no jaggery, no honey. Guilt-free recipe. In a bowl, banana 2, avocado 1. Mash with spoon or with the help of blender, make fine paste. Now add wheat flour 1 cup. Baking soda 1 tablespoon. Salt half pinch. Mix everything. Semi-sweetened chocolate chips optional. Mix everything. Transfer to baking bowl. Keep aside. Chop the walnuts. On top, walnuts and choco chips. Bake for 170 degrees for 15 minutes. Now it's ready to serve. So soft and yummy. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.